Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you an assorted O-rings box from Parkside. This specific one I bought from Lidl. I paid $6.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from other online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. But of course Lidl will have the advantage of selling this cheaper compared to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to do is show you the box itself, the outer box, and then of course show you the contents of the box. Now I personally haven't used a specific type of product before or needed to use one of them, but I'm just doing this video just to show you what's in the box in case you're going to buy one of them. Now let's just get into the box itself. So this is what the box, what the product is going to look like, and then let's zoom in here on the top left. So you get 420 different pieces, as you can see from here. It says they are used for sealing cylinders, pipes, for axle sealing or flanges, plates and enclosures. They are acid, petrol and oil resistant. Some technical information there. A sneak peek of what's inside the box. And that's the information on the front. On the sides here, on the top. And this is just an illustrative picture of where this can be used. Now on the back it states the number, quantity, the ID and the section, which is the millimeters. So this is all the important information that describe technically the products that are in the box. And that's pretty much the information. So the way to open this one is either open it by the left side or the right side. Again, whichever is easier for you. There is the plastic sticker holding it in place, so you're going to need a knife or a scissor. But let's see. I believe I have already opened that just to save time. So let's just get it out. One thing I want to point out is that for some reason the level of quality in the box itself, I mean this the cardboard packaging, but also this one, I don't know, but it feels so premium for some reason. It feels very strong, solid and sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap by any means. So this is the product itself. Some information here. Now the way to open this one is you would slide this clip here towards the right, and then you should be able to open the box. And this is what comes in the box. Now actually they have done something very smart here, so they can get as many pieces as they could in this type-sized box. So in the gaps here they use some sort of adapter on the top that these parts here would go exactly where the empty area is here. So in that way they saved space to add more products in a box such as this one. So this is what you're getting. So let me just take one random one. This is what it looks like. Again, I don't have enough knowledge to be able to describe this further, but it definitely feels of a good quality, very strong rubber. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to break it and use as much force as I can. But again, I don't see if there is a point doing this, but just to show you that there's definitely a lot of, let me just try that again. Yeah, you definitely need to use a lot of force to break them. But again, that's not the point here. I'm just trying to show you that actually the quality and the quality of the rubber itself is very, very strong. That's it pretty much. It's as simple as that. So this is an assorted O-rings box from Parkside. It comes with 420 pieces, and it's used for sealing for pretty much what is shown here on the pictures and what the box indicates itself. Cylinders, pipes, for sealings of flanges, plates and closures. Again, I haven't used the similar before, so I wouldn't know. And that's it pretty much, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.